Hello everyone, welcome to my video. I'm here today to share another finished project with you, and this is the Sweet Ribbons blanket that I made. And as you can see, it has these little ribbons that I crocheted, and I ran them through these little spaces, and the ribbons they run vertically and horizontally. Let me come out a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. But see all the different colors in it. And this is the pattern that I used. This was a Mary Maxim pattern, and it was supposed to be 33 by 39. But I don't know what went wrong. I tried to go by the pattern. I did have to make a few adjustments to make mine work. But mine turned out to be 27 by 28 inches. So that was a good bit difference. It could be that I crochet a little bit tighter than the person who wrote the pattern. But it turned out really well. And it's got the little ruffle edges on it. You can see the little ruffles. So I'm really pleased with how it turned out, but I'm going to show you how much yarn I had left. So hold on a second and I'll be right back. Okay, now here's the yarn I had left. And I did go back and try to count my rows to make sure that I had gone by the pattern. And it looked to me like I had gone just like what the pattern said, but look, I had 2 skeins of this starlet yarn left, plus another partial skein and a little bit more, so I actually had about almost 3 skeins of that left. And when you see these 2 bits right here, 2 balls, I actually had almost a whole skein of this left. And then these were the smaller amounts that were supposed to go with to make the ribbons with, the crocheted ribbons. So I had some of that left too. So I had a good bit of yarn left. And as far as I know, I did go by the pattern accurately. But I just wanted to share my little blanket with you, and I'm really pleased with it. So that's the project I'm sharing with you today. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Oh, and one other thing, I am going to show you the back because sometimes my viewers want to see the back of the blanket. So hold on a second and let me put that in here right quick. Okay, here's what the back of the blanket looks like. And you can see the little chain 3s is what you use to make those spaces to put the ribbons up under. And then here up close is where the ruffles were joined. This is where the edging was joined. So it really turned out pretty neat, I think. And I'll show you the front one more time. Okay, here's the front of my blanket. But thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye.